How to check which apps are draining iPhone battery. To check which apps are draining, simply follow these simple guides. So first of all you have to do is open the settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the settings app, tap on the battery option available there. Wait a few seconds for the user stats to load and scroll down. You will see battery uses by app, a list of apps with percentage showing how much battery each app has used in the last 24 hours or 10 days. You can also tap on the clock icon to see on-screen and background activity time, and battery level graph shows battery drain over time, helps you see when a heavy drain occurred. There you can also see high background uses. If an app shows high background activity, it may be running in the background unnecessarily. So, social media, games, and video apps like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube are common battery hogs. So, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.